assembly of extra heavy curved panes in Bucharest. The Heavydrive team installs 113 cylindrically and spherically curved panes weighing up to 1.2 tons at the Victoriei Office building. Heavydrive opts for its MRK 158 assembly crane, as well as the VSGU 1200 KRSP suction system to do this job. The vacuum suction system has a lifting capacity of 1.5 tons. The mobile system comprises different components to be combined according to requirements. This way, the assembly of the equipment can be completed within just a few minutes. The VSGU 1200 KRSP has been designed to lift concave and convex curved panes. The system is hydraulically operated via remote control. The Heavydrive manipulator also allows for an overhead assembly of the facade elements. This tricky job in Bucharest was carried out by an experienced Heavydrive operator, especially flown in for this assignment, a service Heavydrive additionally offers to its customers to render the assembly works even more efficient.